Do you know many people are having trouble with their Chamberlain garage door opener, not responding to the remote or keypad? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check batteries. Ensure the batteries in both the remote and keypad are not depleted. Replace them if necessary. Step 2. Reprogram remote. Press and release the Learn button on the opener, then press and hold the remote button until the opener light blinks. Step 3. Reprogram keypad. Enter a 4-digit PIN on the keypad, press, and hold ENTER while pressing the Learn button on the opener until the light blinks. Step 4. Align sensors. Ensure the LED lights on both sensors are lit and clean and realign them if necessary. Step 5. Check wires. Disconnect power, reinsert the door control wires correctly, and restore power. Step 6. Test devices. Test the remote and keypad, and repeat the steps if necessary. By following these steps, your remote and keypad should now work properly with your Chamberlain garage door opener. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Chamberlain users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.